What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Tuesday. I'm on double babysitter duty this morning, so let's try keeping this video short. These are the top 5 things to know today in financial markets. Kicking things off with number 1. After falling below $0 for the first time in history, oil prices are still in negative territory this morning. The May contract, which expires at the end of today's trading session, is up around 75% at the moment, but still trading at minus $8 per barrel, basically meaning that sellers are paying buyers to take the oil off their hands. The more actively traded June contract is also struggling this morning, down about 30%, falling below $12. So it will be interesting to see if the June contract follows the May contract into single-digit territory. At the moment, it's all about storage. There are big fears that the main storage capacity at Cushing, Oklahoma is basically filling up to the brim, and meaning that there's just no place to store the oil. So at this point, buyers are being paid to take oil for delivery. Just a once-in-a-lifetime event. We're all witnessing history unfold right in front of us. So it'll be interesting to see if we get another day of volatility in oil markets. On to number 2. In a big day for earnings, Netflix takes center stage when it releases Q1 results after today's closing bell. The stock has been flying high recently, hitting a series of all-time highs last week, as the expectations that these stay-at-home measures boosted demand for Netflix services have boded well. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. As always with Netflix, the story is all about subscriber growth numbers. So beyond the top and bottom line figures, we'll be focusing on that. Wall Street is expecting 7 million or 7.69 million new subscribers in the first 3 months of the year. According to options markets, Netflix shares are expected to move at least 12.5% in either direction following the results. So big day of volatility for Netflix. Stay tuned for that. On to number 3. In addition to Netflix, we get a number of other big name earning reports today. Chipotle and Snap report after the bell. According to options markets, those two names are expected to move 8% and 17% respectively. So Snap will be a big mover following earnings. In the morning, we get results from Coca-Cola and Philip Morris. So big week for earnings continues with those names today. On to number 4. On the data front, we get U.S. housing data this morning. Existing home sales for March are due at 10 a.m. Eastern time, with the data expected to show a drop of 8.1%. So obviously more signs of pain for the economy as the coronavirus impact is felt across all sectors. And finally, number 5, taking all this into account, markets on Wall Street are set for a sharply lower open this morning. Dow futures are down more than 300 points at the moment as stocks look set to continue to struggle after falling on Monday to start the week. So that's it for me. May the trading gods be with you. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy.